If you're watching this, it's because, like you, I love the cheap stuff. And because AJ has increasingly become a camera snob, refusing to cover anything in the budget price point. So, much to his despair, I bring you a £60 camera bag from Endurax. That's right, Peter McKinnon fans, I saved myself £300. Not all camera backpacks are the same. Yes, we expect there to be some nice soft compartments for our precious camera gear, but beyond the cozy housing, we want something light to travel with. What I really like about the Endurax bag is it fits into the rather everyday situation that's really just aimed for photographers, videographers that use a DSLR. And it's got some kind of honest simplicity about it. This is the bag that you pick up when you're going out for a walk, the bag that you take to the office, the perfect choice for so many everyday situations, whether you're a graphic designer or an estate agent or a YouTube vlogger. The bag gives you some safe storage for your DSLR, a 15-inch laptop, your packed lunch. Now, more about some of those good bits. I particularly love the easy access bag within a bag design. This particular setup, it allows you to access your camera equipment with ease whilst amazing your friends in a way they haven't been since they last saw a Russian doll. The Messenger camera bag is exactly as you would expect. It's well padded and it comes with compartments to set up as you prefer. Within the main bag, there are a good number of compartments to store your audio equipment and your camera accessories such as memory cards, batteries, and in the main compartment you have storage for up to a 15-inch laptop. You'll also find a Velcro floor, which kind of makes up a divide within the Messenger bag compartment. This section of the bag easily allows for storage of your daily travel goods, such as batteries or lighting unit, or maybe even your packed lunch. The materials used are, well, they're of a high density and they're water resistant as you would come to expect, but I'm not sure that I would overly want to expose or test out the water resistance. There are a few little niggles with this bag. The camera bag is what you would call a light camera bag. It's not your go-to or your main kit bag for most professionals. I would call it more of a grab bag. You definitely wouldn't turn up to any long shoots with this sort of setup, or to film longer form content. You just simply couldn't carry everything. But also, if you're looking for the cheapest camera bag, well, it's not that either. And some of the cheaper options can also offer more space for around £40. So who is this bag really for? To me, it's a vlogger's bag. It's the bag you get because you love photography, you love shooting video for your own channel, and it definitely isn't intended to be a professional studio kit bag. I wanted this bag as an everyday carry for my home camera setup. I have a 10-year-old low pro bag which is still going strong, although that definitely has signs of exhaustion. Will this bag age as well as the low pro? Well, perhaps that's another video. This bag offers practicality, its subtle style, and its comfort on the go. This has been really my up-close look at the Endurax camera bag, and if it's something that you want to take a look at closer, well, I've dropped some links below the video. If you want to keep up to date with more tech bargains, then make sure you hit that notification bell, and for everything else, I'll be down in the comments. You can also find us across social media if that's your thing, and that's about it for me. So hopefully see you in the next one, and one of those kind of high pitch. Bye.